I've worked it out, Brendon. I've worked it out. Okay. What's happening is, I'll tell you how I worked it out, just to make it interesting. Firstly, I put it on normally, and it would work. I had it on like that, and it would work. Then I spun around like where you'd have it, which would be like that. And I noticed that every time it came down on the downstroke, and because I knew it was on downstroke because I could look through the intake, it would get a bit harder to do. And long story short, the reason I could pull it around was because this starter has this plastic piece here, and you can see here the little indentations, those circle things. Those circle things are the top of the piston. See, it comes down just a little bit inside here. So you've got two options, Brendon. You can grind away a little bit of the piston, which I probably wouldn't be doing, or you could grind away a little bit of this. I can't see a problem in grinding away a little bit of this, so long as you don't go down and mess with that O-ring, because that's what seals it. I can't see a problem with that. I'm just trying to think of what's there, how thick that is. Can't think. Their cutaway section, I think, is probably bigger than what it need to be. Well, maybe not. But you'll work it out. So that's it, Brendon. I've worked it out. So the reason why I could pull it around, because the starters are different. This is a newer starter. You can see there's less metal around the outside. They don't have this part here, which would be good if they did. So maybe, Brendon, you could go to the dump and find one with this part, because these are interchangeable. There's nothing different about them. I'll see if I've got a spare one of these, and I'll take it apart and see if you could actually machine it down and take some off. I found this starter here in one of my piles of junk. This is the original one. On top, yep, they look the same, but if you look underneath, there's the original one with one cutaway section. Here's this one. Look, it's got two. So this is the one you want. Or you want to go to the dump, find one like this. You can see where it's hitting. You pull around slowly, and you can just cut off that section there. It's up to you, but that's what you need to do. Because I'll put this one on and show you it working. So I've just put it on, obviously, with the cutaway section toward the piston. So, yeah, that's what you want to do. And the reason they made ones like this is because they made this engine go on an edger. And if you can imagine, they put the engine like, hang on. Okay, so I've got an edger just to sort of demonstrate. They put this engine on edges very similar to this, and if the pull start was rotated around, you'd be pulling it like this from the edger, and you'd end up flipping it over. So they made it, I'm guessing, this is all guessing, but I'm pretty sure it's correct. It sounds good anyway. So they made the pull start to be able to fit like this, so that you can pull it like this, and not flip the edger over. So, I've solved the problem. And also, it's actually interesting, yeah, I never knew that they made so many different styles of these starters.